Hello. In this video we are going to show you guys how to install Office 365 when you have like a school account. The first thing that we have to go is we go to office.com/login. We put our email address and in the case that you have a ADFS solution you will be redirected where you have to put your password. I choose to no stay sign in and I wouldn't say my password. And here we go, we have Office 365 and we can work in all these web version applications, but sometimes we need to install Office to have like advanced features. So that's why we are going to be, you guys are granted to 5 license to Office 365, which means that you can install in 5 different devices. So we click in install Office and after that we save the file. Once the file is saved, we can run the application. Um, we will see the progress of the installation, which will take like between 15 and 20 minutes depending in your computer. So let's move out until the installation is done. Here we are close to finish the installation, but we can see how the programs there start populating or start buttons. So we will see like that we have Excel, Word, we have Access, we have all the tools, and most important, Teams. So that is the new tool that all districts are using. Thanks for watching. We will continue doing some guides.